Hello and welcome to Handiworks. Learn how to sew clothes for yourself with Handiworks. You can make a stylish dress or blouse from this versatile pattern. They can be used around the neckline or on the sleeves or near the hem or the side slits. Subscribe to Handiworks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Adding your own personal touch to your dress can make you feel loved. Please share this tutorial with your friends. I would love to hear your comments. Please leave them below. Subscribe to Handiworks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos.